Snelly Molongaita. I am a representative from World Glimpse Tour and Travel. I am now to present to you our 7 days and 6 nights Halloween tour package in Hong Kong. Without further ado, let's get started. So this is our Halloween tour package for 2021. So this tour package is for 10 pounds per group, which includes 4 seniors, 5 children, and 1 person with disability. The arranged date of the travel is October 31, 2021 to November 6, 2021. So this is our promotional video. So that is our promotional video. As you can see, all the events and activities are for a Halloween theme. So that is what our guests could enjoy if they will avail in our tour package. Next is our itinerary. Day 1 is the costume party. As you can see in our promotional video, it's a street that has a costume party. So the departure time from Philippines to Hong Kong is 9:55 a.m. and the arrival in the country is 12:20 a.m. They should have a rest, so the activities start in 4 p.m. 4 p.m. they will go in Portolan Central. It is a shopping center for the tourists to buy some costume for Halloween. So after that, they will go to Lan Kwai Fong. They will arrive in 6 p.m. and that is already dinner time. So they will go into have dinner in Porter House restaurant. After that, 7 p.m. is the Lan Kwai Fong Street for costume party. It will end for 2 hours. So 9 p.m. they will have some relaxation and refreshment in Sense of Touch Central Spa. And after that, they will get back to the hotel and have a rest for tomorrow's activities. So second day is the Halloween Disneyland. Starting off from 8 a.m., they will travel to Hong Kong Disneyland. It has rides for the children. They can have sightseeing and picture taking. From 8:30 to 11:30 a.m., they will have activities they will enjoy the activities and rides from the Disneyland, but none of them will experience it, considering that we have seniors and person with disability guest client. So children will enjoy it more than the seniors, but they will enjoy also the view of the Hong Kong Disneyland. So they will have uh, a lunch at Starliner Diner inside the Hong Kong Disneyland. Then they will continue their activities in Hong Kong Disneyland Space Mountain, sightseeing in Sleeping Beauty Castle, Fantasy Garden, and Frozen Village. Then after that, they will going to have dinner at Explorers Club's restaurant in 6 p.m. in 6 p.m. And after they eat their dinner, they will go to AMC Hong Kong Pacific Place, which is this is a cinema theater, and that time they will enjoy watching horror movies with their family. And after the viewing, they will get back in the hotel and arrive in 11 p.m. and have a rest for tomorrow's activity. In day 3, the Halloween Ocean Park tour. So it started in 8 a.m. to travel in Halloween Ocean Park and arrive at 9 a.m. From 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. they will enjoy these activities, the mini maze activity and superstition activity for 1 hour each. Again, not all of them will enjoy it, but the children most enjoy it. But the seniors can enjoy the view and sightseeing inside the ocean park. Then they will have lunch in Bayview View Restaurant, and after that, they will again come back to Halloween Ocean Park to have Caverns of Darkness 3D activity, the Underworld activity also, for 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., 1 hour each. After that, they will have a snack inside also the Ocean Park, which is included in their package. After snack, they will enjoy the Wasteland War Zone, the Psycho Terror Zone inside also the Halloween Ocean Park for 1 hour each. After that, they will travel to the Ocean Restaurant for dinner. And they will get back to the Halloween Ocean Park for 8:30 p.m. because there will be activity that they will enjoy, which is the Project Getaway for in 8:45 p.m. because it is variety and fashion show of costume, displaying of Halloween costume and variety show. of the presenters in the event. After that, they will get back to the hotel and have some rest for tomorrow's activity. And day 4, they'll start in 11 a.m. So they have a lot of rest in the morning because their itinerary start in 11 a.m. They will travel to Litong Avenue. They will arrive in 12 noon. Well, 12 noon is already lunch time, so they will have their lunch in Sushi Namakin. And after having lunch, they will get back to Litong Avenue because they have event there where they are planting their furry pets, where guests can have their interaction with their pets, and they also have games. After the event, at 3 p.m., they will travel to Walking with Buddha, and at 3:40 p.m. they will arrive there. It is good at sightseeing and picture taking. After that, in 4:30 p.m., they will travel to Lumping 360. They will arrive there for 4:50 p.m. and enjoy the view of the Hong Kong city with riding in a sky cable. After that, they will travel to Segreto by Hermano Lelie. It is a private kitchen where they will have dinner there. And at 8 p.m., they will get back to the hotel and take a rest for tomorrow's activity. In day 5, the activity started from 9 a.m., where they will travel to Wong Tai Sin Shem Temple for sightseeing and picture taking. From 10 a.m. to 12 noon, we will enjoy it. And in 12 noon, they will travel to Beans, the greenhouse, because it is already lunchtime. Then they will have lunch there. For 1:30 p.m., they will travel to 10,000 Buddhas Monastery. Well, this instruction requires energy to step 1,000 stairs to see the 10,000 Buddhas. Well, it is not for seniors and persons with disabilities, so that only child can enjoy this. So in 3:30 p.m., after in that attraction, they will go to the Hong Kong Park, and for 1 hour they will enjoy the scenic views in there. And in 5 p.m., they will go to Edward Youth Aviary. They will enjoy a man-made forest for sightseeing and taking pictures. For 6 p.m., they will go to a restaurant called Poppin' J, and they will have dinner there. After that, after the dinner, they will go back to their hotel and have some swimming there. They arrive early, early 8, like 8:30. They will enjoy the hotel facilities there and rest. For the 6th day, 8 a.m., this this the activity in this day is for the haunted tour. It started for 9 a.m. and the first stop is the Dragon Lodge, the peak. Well, it is good for sightseeing, storytelling, and storytelling of the travel guide about the place. The next is High Street Community in 10:20 a.m., where it is also good in sightseeing, storytelling of the travel guide about the place. A third is 10:30 a.m. They will travel to Murray House. Same activity, sightseeing, storytelling about the travel guide about a place, and it depends on the tourists if they want to explore the place and take pictures. And and in 12:45 p.m. they will have lunch at the boathouse nearby the Murray House. And in 2 p.m. they will travel to Sumapon, New Territories. This is a territory of armies in ancient times, and today it was developed as a haunted spot in Hong Kong. Then also the guests can enjoy it by sightseeing, picture taking, storytelling of the travel guide about the place. And at 3:30 p.m., we were gonna travel to White House, Hong Kong Island, where they can picture taking, sightseeing, storytelling, like that. Then at 5 p.m. in Central and Western District Promenade for sightseeing and dinner at Victoria Harbour Restaurant in 7 p.m. They will get back at the hotel for 9:30 p.m. and take a rest there. For the last day, 8 a.m. is their breakfast. 9 a.m. they will travel to Stanley Market for shopping. The budget here is not provided by our package, but the tourist itself will provide their own budget to shop and buy something for their loved ones in the Philippines. So 9 a.m. the Stanley Market, and the 10:30 p.m. is for the tourists to go to Times Square, where they will also shop. At 12 noon, they will lunch at our Chinese restaurant, and after that, they will get back to the hotel and prepare to vacate. They will back to the airport for 1:30 p.m. and departure flight back to Philippines is 2:30 p.m. So here are some of the attractions that you can see. They are themed for the Halloween and has activities that are perfect for Halloween. The restaurants and meals. This is from Foster Place Shiko Shinzin Hotel for 6 days. This is included in the package of the hotel for booking for 6 days, 7 nights, and 6 days. Well, as you can see, it is for breakfast meal only. It has eggs, breads, noodles, and etc. Porterhouse Restaurants, a Starliner Diner. It is a steakhouse and a snack house. And next is the Explorers Loves Restaurant, the Ocean Restaurants. These two are buffet restaurants where are good at dinner, and we are packaged this for dinner for the tourists. The Bayview Restaurant, the Sushi Namaken, Segreto by Hermano Lelia Private Chicken. These also have seafoods and Chinese food where tourists should enjoy in their meals. Beans the Greenhouse, the Boathouse, these are for stocks. Popeye Restaurant, Victoria Harbour Restaurant, the Chinese restaurant is good for full meals for the guests. This is our airline thing. For we are partnered by Philippine Airlines, starting our departure from 9:55 a.m. of October 31, 2021, and departure from 12:20 noon of October 31. And departure to Philippines is 2:30 p.m. and 5 p.m. for arrival. Well, it is 8,799.54 per pax for the children and 7,039.6 for senior and persons with disability. This is our car rental booking for 2,646. We can have 5 persons inside it. Well, we're gonna book two of it so that it is good for um, 10 persons. It is a Volkswagen Jetta, and it's not gonna fetch the tourist in airport because the hotel has included one of it. for 6 nights only with 5 adults, which is the seniors and the persons with disability and the 5 children. So the overall price is 136,772. It is a 4-star. This is our cost breakdown. The air fee for round trip is 79,195. Our hotel fee for 7 days and 6 nights is 136,773. Car rental for 37,044 for 7 days. The entrance fee for children are in total it is 52,310 and 10,462 each. In seniors, it is 43,080 and it is 10,820 each. It is minus 20% for the discounts. The PWD is 6,068. Food and beverage for the children are totals 55,975, which is 11,195 each. For PWD and seniors with minus 20% discount, there's 8,956 each, which totals to 44,780. So the total of this tour rather, is 455,425. For seniors, it is 44,196. For the children, 47,839. For the PWD, is 39,440. So that is our 7 days and 6 nights Halloween tour package to Hong Kong. So thank you so much for listening.